Hello, this is Sarah and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a Monstera plant out of cardstock paper. Please like this video below and subscribe to my channel. All the materials will be listed below the video along with the template to cut with your Cricut, Silhouette, or other cutting machines. This template comes with 3 different versions and I like to mix and match these for one plant. I cut the leaf, spine, and the backing shape for the floral wire stem all on one 12 by 12 green cardstock paper. And I was able to fit 2 of the versions on one sheet of paper and the third one on another sheet of paper. And you could make these smaller or bigger and adjust the size, but make sure you adjust it as a group. I used this acrylic paint marker I will be linking below the video to color the spine. And this will be a light green color. You could use acrylic paint or gouache paint as well if you don't have acrylic markers. And I don't overuse it because I don't want it to be soaked with paint and I don't want it to be too light in color, so I try to stroke the markers only once through the pattern. I did have a Swiss cheese Monstera paper plant template before and tutorial, and it's similar but much smaller, and I usually make those to hang down as a plant. But this Monstera is more like the typical tropical look, and it's usually bigger like a tree. I will also link other paper plant templates and tutorials below so you could grow your own paper plant collection. Then I use glossy Mod Podge and I brush it along the middle and add the spine. Then Mod Podge over it all on the top side of the leaf. We will be doing this to all of the leaves, just to the top side only. Then wait for it to dry. It should take about 1 or 2 hours maximum, and the white of the glue will disappear. Next, when it is dry, shape the leaves by folding down the middle and curling the tips out. Then add white glue on the backing piece and add thin floral wire and glue that to the back side on the bottom of the leaf. Then fold down the wire and add a thicker floral wire and floral tape the thin and thick floral wire together and finish the rest of the leaves like this. And I added about a total of 7 leaves in one pot, so you could do more or less depending on how full you want your plant. To plot the plant, I will be using this pot I found at Marshall's, and I added a styrofoam circle that fit in my pot and added rocks on top to fill, and you could find these at your craft store, and I will also be linking it below. Then add your paper leaves. I also cut down the wire, a few of them, to make them vary in height, and make some face you and some face to the side, and shape them as you go to fill your pot. I have a variety of paper plants that looks amazing to replace your plants if you are like me and can't keep the real ones alive. You could always make these paper plants that will never need watering and they will always be thriving in your home. Please like this video below and subscribe. Thank you for watching.